Alright, so the three lines on your right controller is the menu. To fly up or down under the menu, whichever way you want to go, either tap up on this pad, on the D-pad up here, or down to fly down. Going onto the left controller. Oh, and on the back, to drag, grab the earth and drag, is the back lever in the back. And on the left controller, to hold and save, wherever you at, you just have to press the menu button on the left controller. And to tilt, to have like the earth under you, just tap on the D-pad on the left controller. And then to take yourself out of it, you tap it again. So, and you fly out by using the right controller D-pad. What's the next thing? To fly around, you go to your right controller on the D-pad to fly straight. You just gotta point out where you want to fly at, and tap the top of the pad to fly into whatever you want, or back out. To tilt, you go back to your left controller, tap the left side of the D-pad to tilt down, and now you're in more of like a straight view where you can drag and go further, closer to where you want to be. So to go to street view, I'm gonna zoom out, go to somewhere I'm familiar with, fly out. Yeah. I'm just gonna go around and search the place now. Alright, so to search something, you just gotta press the menu button. I'll find this button. You just gotta press the menu button. Then it'll bring this up. You're gonna use the triggers on your right controller, and you're not gonna hit it until it clicks, because that won't work. You're just gonna tap it, go to the search button, tap, then search up where you want to go. I'm just gonna do Burlington High. Click it with the same button you used to type, and then you're at Burlington High School. I'm gonna fly down to the street. When you get close enough to the street, an image should show on your left controller, and if you bring it close to your face, you can go into street view. To move around in street view, it's the same button you use to type. The controller, you don't click it, you just need to tap it lightly. If you hear the click, it's probably not going to work. And then you could go where you want to. What else do I need to go through? Alright. To save location, I'm gonna get myself out of street view by moving my left controller away from my face, and then on your left controller again, where the menu button would be on your right, is a little button. You just tap it and let go, and it's saved to your menu, where you can look back at the same button you press to search. Tap over here at your save, and you can go right back to that location over here. Yep. Up. Yep.